Welcome to our Old Charles. Today we are diving deep into the fascinating world of United States coin collecting, focusing specifically on the Louisiana State Quarter released in 2002 as part of the 50 State Quarters program. This coin holds a special place in the hearts of collectors and history enthusiasts alike due to its unique design and historical significance. The Louisiana Quarter features a detailed depiction of a pelican, the state bird, feeding its young in a nest with 3 chicks. The pelican is surrounded by magnolia blossoms, which is the state flower, and the word Louisiana prominently displayed below. This intricate design was chosen to represent the rich wildlife, natural beauty and cultural heritage of Louisiana. The State Quarter program itself was launched by the United States Mint in 1999 and continued through 2008. Each coin in this series was designed to honor one of the 50 states in the order that they ratified the Constitution. Louisiana was the 18th state to be featured in this series, making its 2002 release highly anticipated by collectors. The coin was struck in a standard composition of 75% copper and 25% nickel, with a diameter of 24.25 mm and a thickness of 1.75 mm. The obverse of the coin retains the familiar portrait of George Washington, designed by John Flanagan and used on the quarter since 1932. This side also features the inscriptions United States of America, Liberty, In God We Trust, and the denomination $quarter. The Louisiana Quarter was minted at 3 locations: the Philadelphia Mint indicated by AP, the Denver Mint indicated by AD, and some collector editions from the San Francisco Mint indicated by an S. Although millions of these coins were circulated, making them relatively common today, there are certain factors that can significantly influence their value to collectors. Condition plays a critical role. Coins that are uncirculated or in mint state condition typically command higher prices due to the absence of wear and preservation of original details. Coins with perfect surfaces, sharp details and original luster are highly sought after. In contrast, coins that have been heavily circulated with scratches, dents or discoloration are generally worth only face value but still hold interest. For collectors seeking to complete a state quarter collection, another factor affecting value is rarity and errors. While most Louisiana quarters were minted without issues, there are some notable varieties and minting errors that can increase the value substantially. Examples include double die obverse coins where the inscriptions or portrait appear doubled, or coins with die cracks or off-center strikes. Collectors pay premium prices for these rare anomalies because they are unique and limited in number. The current market value of a standard circulated Louisiana quarter is typically around 25 cents to 50 cents depending on the condition. Coins in uncirculated mint state may range from $1 to $5, with exceptional specimens potentially reaching higher prices through private sales or auctions. Error coins and special proofs can fetch significantly higher amounts, sometimes exceeding $25 for highly sought after varieties. The coin also holds educational and sentimental value as it represents Louisiana heritage, from the pelican, which symbolizes self-sacrifice, to the magnolia blossoms representing beauty and resilience. Louisiana has a rich history, including its French and Spanish colonial past, the unique Creole culture, and the significance of the Mississippi River in trade and transportation. Owning this quarter connects collectors not only to monetary value but also to a piece of American history and culture. Many collectors choose to store their Louisiana quarters in protective holders, albums or coin capsules to maintain their condition and increase longevity. Long-term value can also be influenced by market trends, as interest in state quarters fluctuates based on collector demand, media attention and the release of related coins from the United States Mint. Special commemorative events or educational programs highlighting the State Quarter series can also spike interest and value. In conclusion, the Louisiana State Quarter of 2002 is much more than just a 25-cent coin. It is a representation of state pride, history and artistry. Its value is determined by condition, rarity and demand among collectors. While most circulated coins remain at face value, exceptional specimens can become valuable collectibles, whether you are a seasoned numismatist or a casual coin enthusiast. Adding the Louisiana Quarter to your collection provides both historical insight and the potential for future appreciation. The history of the Louisiana State Quarter of 2002 is closely tied to both the United States Mint 50 State Quarters program and the rich heritage of Louisiana itself. The 50 State Quarters program was authorized by Congress in 1997 and launched in 1999 with the goal of honoring each of the 50 states with a unique quarter design released in the order that the States ratified the Constitution. Louisiana was the 18th state to be featured, and its quarter was released in 2002. The design of the Louisiana Quarter was selected through a process that involved state officials and the United States Mint artists. The final design features the brown pelican, the official state bird, nurturing and the amount of wear they have experienced since leaving the mint. The most common categories include circulated coins, which have been used in everyday transactions and show signs of wear such as scratches, dents, discoloration and loss of original luster, and uncirculated or mint state coins which have never been used in circulation and retain their original sharp details and surface finish. A circulated Louisiana quarter from 2002 may have minor nicks or scratches on the surface. The design may be slightly worn down and the luster may be diminished. These coins are usually worth face value or slightly more to collectors who are completing a state quarter collection. In contrast, an uncirculated coin will show crisp details on the pelican, the nest and the magnolia blossoms with no signs of handling or wear, and the surfaces will have a natural sheen. Mint state coins are graded on a scale from MS60 to MS70, with higher numbers indicating better preservation and fewer imperfections. A coin graded MS65 or above is generally considered very attractive to collectors and can command higher prices. Special proof coins produced for collectors by the San Francisco Mint are struck with extra care on specially prepared planchets and often have a mirrored background with frosted details. These proof Louisiana quarters in perfect condition are highly prized among collectors because of their eye appeal and rarity. Even minor details such as scratches, fingerprints, toning or small contact marks can affect a coin's grade and market value. Collectors often store their quarters in protective holders, coin flips or albums to preserve their condition over time. Proper storage away from moisture, heat and handling ensures that the coin maintains its original appearance and maximizes its long-term value.